Welcome to Phone Transformer, your home for mastering every feature on your mobile device. In this video, I will guide you through the different ways of how to take a screenshot on Android so you can easily save and share anything on your screen. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 is to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time for about 2 seconds. These physical buttons are usually located on the side of your device and provide a quick hardware shortcut to capture your current screen. Step 2 is to wait for the screen animation or shutter noise to confirm the capture. This visual or audio feedback is important because it lets you know that the system has successfully saved the image to your phone's storage. Method 2. Step 1 is to swipe down from the top of your screen until you can see the screenshot icon in the quick settings menu. This digital shortcut is a great alternative if you prefer using touch controls instead of pressing the physical side buttons on your phone. Step 2 is to simply click on the screenshot icon to trigger the capture process. This button is specifically designed to grab a still image of whatever is currently visible behind your notification panel, making it very convenient for one-handed use. Step 3 is to look for the screen animation to confirm the screenshot is captured. Much like the hardware method, this animation serves as a signal that your phone has processed the command and the file is ready for you to view. Step 4 is to check your gallery to find and manage your saved screenshot. Your gallery app automatically categorizes these images into a specific folder, allowing you to edit, crop, or share your captured screen with others whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.